Ó meu carro como é que tá. Lascou com tudo. Olha lá.
É verdade, o carro tá indo embora lá. Rapaz.
O dele não afogou não, ó.
Não, ele tá na boca de lobo. Dá uma olhada do jeito que tá aqui em casa. Nunca vi isso na vida, desde que eu mudei aqui. Olha a onda. Lá... Próximo terminal Capelinha. Espero que seria com a situação.
Pessoal, aqui é ponto de Guavirova, ó.
Heavy rains in Parana on Friday morning caused flooding in several areas of the city, leaving residents stranded and disrupting traffic and local businesses. Images shared by residents on social media showed streets completely covered in water, vehicles stopped or trying to navigate large bodies of water, and commercial buildings affected by the flooding. According to Simepar, between 10:45 and 11:45 a.m., 26.4 millimeters of rain was recorded, with 75% of that volume, 20 millimeters, falling in just 15 minutes, between 11:15 and 11:30 a.m. by 2:45 p.m. The day's accumulation had reached 54.8 millimeters. The intensity and speed of the accumulation of water volumes burdened the city's drainage system, worsening the flooding. According to meteorologist Ângela Costa, in the last 24 hours alone, the accumulation reached 85 millimeters, and the unstable conditions will continue until the weekend. We will have a ceasefire on Sunday, but from Monday onwards, the ceasefire will remain unstable throughout the state, he said. The Simepar forecast indicates that the instability will continue until the afternoon. On Saturday the weather was sunny, while on Sunday it was partly cloudy with rain. Rain will continue throughout the following week. This type of rain that occurs in a very short period of time causes flooding, because the water falls so quickly that the street drainage system is unable to drain its entire volume, which ends up causing the streets to overflow. According to the Parana Environmental Monitoring and Technology System, Simepar, the heavy rain was caused by a combination of high temperatures and high humidity, which is common at this time of year. The heavy rain caused flooding in several streets in the city, such as at the intersection of Maria Antonia and Comendador Garcia streets. In addition, heavy flooding was recorded on Rua 13 de Maio, which almost invaded commercial stores.